SLP succession matters. Drafting and successfully arguing in the Supreme Court of India. Namaskar. Today our speaker is Jayprakash Somani, advocate from Supreme Court of India NIP. He published more than 50 books on Supreme Court case laws. So, I'm presenting you Jayprakash Somani.
When we are drafting SLP, synopsis, then list of dates, then main draft. Main draft should be as per the Form 28 given in Supreme Court Rule 2013. You can watch my separate webinar on YouTube on Supreme Court Rules 2013. Then, as per that format, in that format, question of laws should be there. Then ground should be a perfect. Then interim relief grounds, interim relief prayer, main prayer, such type of format is there. So you should have a perfect knowledge of this particular draft. Then you take the important grounds, question of laws, everything in the main body of SLP. Then important task is annexures, join annexures properly. Then filing process, then defect clearing process. After defect clearing, admission hearing is there. How to argue in admission hearing? To admit case in Supreme Court of India is a very hard task. You have to work hard on that. So admission hearing in such a way, in lesser point you should show maximum substantial significant points, which is substantial question of law, which is very significant to your relevant and significant to your case. And if judges think here is injustice, I should put my values in that time judges will admit that case. Notice issue returnable in 4 weeks, thus be allowed like that. So that is very happy moment for any arguing counsel in my apex court. Then after notice, counter affidavit, registry, 2-3 dates will be there, and then final argument after notice argument. And that argument is also a different. So to understand all this, you should watch total 7 videos with real drafted SLP by my lawyer. Jayprakash Somani, advocates and solicitors. JSAS is a Supreme Court law firm. 12 to 13 associates, juniors are with me. Out of that, 5 to 6 AOR are there. So drafting is done by my team. So with the consultation of me, with the consultation of client. So how to draft perfect SLP with proper case laws, how to search case laws. So to understand this, you should watch 7 to 8 videos with proper real drafted SLP, with proper real impugned judgment of High Court, with proper real order of notice of Supreme Court, after hearing notice, after notice hearing also order. So when you go through this, all these, then you will comes to mind. So how SLP should be drafted, how SLP should be argued, whether you are master in English or you know lesser English. Communication is very important. You can use simple English, but perfect words should be there. So write English words, write English vocabulary if you are using, then confidently you can stand before the apex court. You can speak before the apex court. You can argue before So watching these 7 videos, just download our app, Jayprakash Somani, Supreme Court, the name of app. Link is given in the description. So find out that link, download that app, see my different courses regarding that. Fees are very nominal to that courses. Whatever knowledge you are getting, whatever study material you are getting, so if you are compare that, so fees are very reasonable to that courses, and all these videos courses are available with you with 1 year validity also, and most important thing, one mock test will be there. So if you completed that mock test more than 60% marks, that time you will get certificate of this also if you require. So this particular course of SLP, bail matter, drafting and successful arguing in Supreme Court of India, this course is useful for budding lawyer, for law students, those who are aspiring to shift their practice to Supreme Court, those who are aspiring to become AOR of Supreme Court, Advocate on Record. You can find my 2 books on AOR examinations. All these books are available on Amazon and Flipkart. If you just type Jayprakash Somani books, you will find that. So for AOR student also, AOR candidates also, this course will be useful. And most important person to whom this course is very useful, that person is general public who needs the knowledge of bail matter of Supreme Court, how bail matter drafted like that. So general public who needs this, they can also watch this, all these things in simple English language, with proper presentation, with proper draft, with proper citation, with proper all supporting documents. So thank you very much. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.